have walking paths just like these with gorgeous views, minutes from your front door, where you can spend those hot summer days with the kids or taking your dog for a walk? Or do you like golfing so much that you want to be minutes to Blue Devil Golf Club? Or how about just being part of a lake community? Or having shopping and schools right close by? Is that important? If any of these interest you, don't miss out on my brand new listing here in Chaparral, a Southeast Calgary lake community that also has an illegal basement suite, opening the door to affordability. Don't miss out. Let's take a look. All right, I already know you want to move in, but let me show you one of my favorite parts that makes this so unique. It's actually where I'm standing, a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, illegal basement suite. So if you're worried about a high mortgage payment, don't worry, because this will help lower that payment. Talk about cha-ching. You ready to move in? Let's take a look at the rest. Where do I sign, right? If you want more information on your new home, my information's below. Give us a call, or if you just want to see crazy property tours, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.